In this video, you will learn how to solve this nice exponential equation. Pay very rapt attention to the explanation I'm going to give, because you're going to use this explanation in solving similar questions, exponential questions like this. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more videos. Now, if you look at this question very well, you come to see that 3 to the power of 9 is being held by a positive sign and they are common. So we are going to look at taking the common term. And the common term on the left hand side is 3 to the power of 9. Open a bracket, 1 plus 1 plus 1. And this will be equal to 3 to the power of y. Now I want you to take your time and simplify this by multiplying 3 to the power of 9 with 1 plus 1 plus 1, and you see you arrive at the initial expression. So you see that makes that very perfect and correct. So 3 to the power of 9 will be multiplying 3 plus 3 plus 3, that will be 3 to the power of 1, and this will be equal to 3 to the power of y. Great. Now we're going to look at how to apply the laws of indices in solving this. In a law of indices, I want you to recall that if you have a to the power of x multiplied by a to the power of y, this can be equal to a to the power of x plus y. This is what we call the multiplication law of indices. Now, if we apply that law to this expression will now become 3 to the power of 9 plus 1, and this will be equal to 3 to the power of y. Great. Now, if we simplify the above, we're going to have this to become 3 to the power of 10 equal to 3 to the power of y. Great. Now, recall that if we also have an expression such that we'll have a to the power of s equating a to the power of y, then x can be equal to y. This is also the law of indices. So if we apply it here, since we have same base, the law has to do with same base, our value for y will be equal to 10. Now the value of y equal to 10 simply satisfies that exponential equation that's given to us here. Now I want you to do something. I want you to test to see if this solution is absolutely right. At the value of y equal to 10, can we truly find the value to be right? Now let's test. If we test this expression, you are going to see that the expression is absolutely right. I'm going to give you that as a task. Put the value of 3 to the power of 10 on the right hand side and see if it will be equal to 3 to the power of 9 plus 3 to the power of 9 plus 3 to the power of 9. If it does, don't forget to give your answer. Drop your answer in the comment section and I will be so glad to engage with you right from there. I know you did enjoy watching this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, remember to share this video with your friends and colleagues, and also please subscribe to our channel for more simplified mathematics solution. Thanks so much for watching, and bye bye for now.